This is a Medeco original. I'm trying to get on camera. That's not right. Two. Ooh, crap. This thing, I mean, it really doesn't want to open on camera. I'm not going to say I can get it open easy off of camera. I'm not going to say that it opens every time off of camera. But off camera, I can get it open. Messed up. I almost had it, and then I dropped that tension wrench in. It's like it started back over with everything, so that's fine. That's alright. It happens. Alright. Once I can stop playing drop the pin, set the pin, it should open. Because it's actually giving me feedback now. If I can. Alright. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2. Okay, I just had to touch 2 and get it up there. But yeah, that's the medeco original that really didn't want to be on camera.